Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, tonight I'm going to be preparing a really special chicken recipe that my husband and I enjoyed in Annecy, France by the name of Poulet Francais. Super delicious, simple to prepare. Let's get started. Poulet Francais, a dish that my husband and I had in Annecy, France. Simple and delicious. This is what we will be preparing today. We're using organic chicken, again by seasoning with salt and pepper on both sides. Salt and pepper the other side. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Sprinkle all over the chicken, just on one side. Heaping tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Put a pair of rubber gloves on and let's massage the chicken pieces on both sides. Your stove to medium heat and melt 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to begin by browning the chicken skin side down, 3 minutes on each side. I'll be doing it in 2 batches. We're going to fry off the second batch, and I'm going to say it, if you can only smell my kitchen. Chicken has browned beautifully. We're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped shallots. Cook it for approximately 3 minutes. 1 cup of Chardonnay to deglaze the pan. Now make sure you remove all those little bits because those are all flavor. We're going to cook this until the liquid is reduced by half. The alcohol has evaporated. Everything has reduced down to half. Time to add 1/2 cup of chicken stock. 2 bay leaves. A bouquet of thyme, we're just going to drop it in. Lower your stove to simmer. Cover and let it cook for 20 minutes. We really enjoy this dish with couscous. Very simple. Couscous and cranberries. We'll have 1 leg and 1 thigh for each of us. There. A little bit of gravy. Oh, I love thick gravy. And dinner is served in under 40 minutes. Taste it for you. Delicious. Or shall I say, délicieux. I would like to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from my home to yours. Get to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao!